In the beginning, humans were not much different from the other creatures that roamed the earth. They were hunters and gatherers, living in small tribes, and their main concerns were finding food and shelter. But as time passed, something extraordinary began to happen, a slow, imperceptible shift that would ultimately change the course of history. It started with the discovery of fire. Humans learned to tame this wild force of nature, and it became a source of warmth, protection, and a means to cook their food. With fire, they could venture into the dark night, expanding their hunting and gathering territories. They began to feel a sense of security, and their lives became a little less precarious. As generations passed, humans became more adept at manipulating their environment. They started to cultivate plants, realizing that they could control the growth of certain species and ensure a more consistent food supply. This marked the dawn of agriculture, and it was a turning point in their evolution. No longer were they entirely dependent on the whims of nature, they were becoming its masters. With agriculture came settled communities, and humans began to build the first permanent dwellings. They erected villages, then towns, and eventually cities. They developed systems of governance and law, and their societies grew more complex. As their populations expanded, so did their knowledge. They learned to read and write, passing down their accumulated wisdom through the ages. But perhaps the most profound change was the development of technology. From the simple tools of their ancestors, humans progressed to inventing the wheel, the plow, and eventually the printing press. These innovations accelerated the spread of knowledge and transformed the way they lived. As humans journeyed through the annals of time, they continually adapted to their changing circumstances. They built empires, waged wars, and made great discoveries. They explored the farthest reaches of the earth and reached for the stars. With each passing generation, they evolved not only physically but also intellectually and culturally. Yet, for all their achievements, they faced countless challenges and obstacles. They grappled with disease, famine, and conflicts that threatened to undo their progress, but they persevered, learning from their mistakes and striving to create a better world. And so, the story of human evolution continues, a tale of resilience, ingenuity, and the unquenchable thirst for knowledge. From humble beginnings as nomadic hunters and gatherers to the architects of civilizations and the explorers of the cosmos, humans have come a long way. Their journey is a testament to the remarkable capacity of a species to adapt, learn, and evolve, not only in body but also in mind and spirit.